In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up email notifications on your Monday.com account. It's a straightforward process that will enhance your ability to stay updated with projects and team communications. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Monday.com homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the central hub of your project management journey. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to all the features and tools we'll be working with today. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the plus icon. It's usually located on the left side of your screen within the sidebar. Clicking this icon is going to open up a myriad of options that let you expand your workspace and add various items. This is helpful for tailoring your space to suit your team's needs. It's a versatile starting point. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, look through the list that appears and find the option labeled Email. Selecting this option is how we begin configuring your email notifications. This feature is critical because it serves as the gateway to linking your email with Monday.com, ensuring you receive timely alerts and updates directly into your inbox. It's perfect for staying in sync with less dashboard time and more proactive work time. With email selected, you will next be prompted to click on a box. This box will appear right after you choose the email option and is explicitly for typing in email information. It's important to click accurately on this box to ensure you start entering data in the right field. This seemingly simple step sets the stage for the effectiveness of your upcoming alerts. Now we're at a crucial step, typing in your email address. Carefully type your address into the box, ensuring no typos, as this is where all your email notifications will be sent. Double check your entry for accuracy before proceeding. Having your email correctly entered means that all notifications and updates will reach the right place without delay or complications. And that's it. With these easy steps, you'll have set up email notifications for Monday.com, allowing you to stay informed without constantly checking your dashboard. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also keeps you connected to what's happening with your projects and team communications efficiently. Give it a try and enjoy the boosted productivity that comes with seamless integration. Thanks for watching.